Ever wondered how international trade transactions are secured? One common method is through the use of a financial document known as a letter of credit. This tool is not only fascinating but also instrumental in the world of international commerce. Imagine you are a buyer in one country and you want to purchase goods from a seller in another. You both agree to the terms of the sale, including the use of a letter of credit. You, as the buyer, then apply for this letter of credit from your bank, providing details of the transaction. Your bank, also known as the issuing bank, then issues this letter of credit and sends it to the seller's bank, or directly to the seller, who is also known as the beneficiary. There are two types of letters of credit: irrevocable and revocable. An irrevocable letter of credit cannot be changed or cancelled without the consent of all parties involved. On the other hand, a revocable letter of credit can be amended or cancelled by the issuing bank without prior notice to the beneficiary. A letter of credit contains key components such as the credit amount, which is the maximum amount that the issuing bank is willing to pay the beneficiary. It also includes an expiry date, which is the deadline by which the conditions specified in the letter of credit must be fulfilled. The letter of credit also lists the documents required by the seller to receive payment. These often include the bill of lading, commercial invoice, and inspection certificates. And finally, it specifies the terms and conditions that the seller must meet to get paid. Now, once the seller receives the letter of credit, they review the terms and conditions, ship the goods, and prepare the required documents. These documents are then presented to the bank, which checks them against the requirements of the letter of credit. If everything checks out, the bank releases payment to the seller. And there you have it. A letter of credit ensures security in international trade transactions by guaranteeing payment only when the seller fulfills the specified conditions. It is a powerful tool that mitigates risks associated with non-payment or non-performance in cross-border transactions. This is the magic of a letter of credit in the world of international trade. So the next time you hear about a letter of credit, you'll know exactly what it is and how it works. It's not just a document, but a guarantee that keeps the wheels of international trade turning smoothly.